Hola people, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I am Siddhi Gupta and I do a lot of things. Most of them are weird and also fun, duh. So it would mean a lot to me if you can click on the subscribe button. 3 seconds, I'm giving you 3 seconds, please do it. Thank you, you are the sweetest. Thank you for subscribing if you did. And today I am going to do one of my most favorite things is making coffee. And this is one of the most requested videos of all time because I keep on posting these shots of coffee, like shots, not shorts of coffee, but like snaps of coffee on my Instagram stories, and I have created a couple of reels and videos about coffee. So I will show you 4 of my favorite ways I like to drink my coffee. Very recently I purchased a espresso machine from Prestige, so this is the one. So that was the machine, and I know most of us don't own a machine at home, so I've shown you 4 recipes, 2 with the usage of the machine and 2 without the usage of the machine. So you know there is something for everyone on my channel. So I love saying that channel, you know, it just channels the energy that I want my YouTube videos to have. So that is why I begin like channel. Okay, that's enough about my intro, and I wanted to say that I have experimented with all kinds of coffee, like instant coffee, ground coffee, and those flavored instant coffees and whatnot. I have tried it with different flavor accents like mint and chocolate and caramel, one of my favorites. So it's like a wide range of things you can do with coffee, and you know, just the so I was saying that there is a lot of complexity behind just a cup of coffee that is made from ground coffee because of the altitude it is grown in, the way it is extracted from its fruit, and like if it is monsooned and seasoned, or it is like washed and then plumbed, like there's a lot. And then the roasting and the grind size, like a lot of complexity. So I haven't tried too much variety of ground coffee, but I liked the monsoon ones more than the washed ones, and like 1100 feet, something of that sort of height. And I have tried like some from Indonesia and some from Chikmagaluru, so I would love to try all the more different kinds of flavors and the regions and heights sooner. So you can expect another coffee video like in a few months, like 6 months, 7 months. If you want that, comment down below and click on that like button so that I know you appreciate it. Like liking it from here and liking it from here is perfect. That is what I want you to have for me. But if you click on that like button, it means a lot to me, and it just like transmitted to me from you that you like my video. So click on that subscribe button and let's get started with the first coffee. So I have these 2 favorite cups, like this blend Sprite one because I live in Bihar and that is what we use blend Sprite glasses for, coffee. And the second one is black ceramic mug. Like this is my comfort mug just whenever I'm not feeling so good. And we are going to use the blend Sprite one because why not? So I start by adding ice to it, and then I pour in my espresso and then some sugar because I'm a sweet tooth baby. And then I add a few drops of vanilla, and then the magic happens when I add the milk. So look at that, oh my god. And for the cold brew, I added some ground coffee to this big beer mug, and then poured in some room temperature water, let it sit for 2 minutes, and then put it in the freezer for about 12 to 24 hours. But I actually ended up putting it more than 24 hours because I was busy and I forgot. Sorry, coffee, but it just makes it stronger, so the longer the better. Have you heard about that? And you can buy equipments off of Amazon to strain this, but Why to spend money when I am the DIY queen? So I use a funnel and a muslin cloth to strain this, and I will not do it on camera because I know I will spill it. So here it's done. And I used the frother inbuilt in my machine, but you can absolutely use your mixer, grinder, blender, or whatever you want to use to create that foam. And I think I did not use the whole milk, so the foam did not come out at all. So I'm so sorry about that, but I'm not going to waste this clip, and I'm not going to waste the coffee and the milk. So you have to deal with the not so aesthetic coffee, but it's tasty. And for the minty mint, we take some instant coffee and add some hot water, some sugar, and whisk it to get that beautiful froth, and some ice, obviously, because I like it cold. And now we will add 3 tablespoons of mint syrup, which I made at home, which you can easily find on YouTube how to do that. And then the magic milk. And the last one is an affogato, which is espresso powder right on top of the ice cream. It is generally done with vanilla, but if it's not extra, it's not me. So I use caramel ice cream, like dark caramel ice cream, which was melted and did not look so good. I'm so sorry. It does not look aesthetic at all. And espresso over it, it should not have been like that. Sorry. And the bonus for you guys is I made cappuccino for my mom. So you can see that too. I don't like hot beverages of coffee, but mom does. So here it is. You like it? Did you like my video? I hope so. So click on the like button. I will not stop saying that unless you realize that you have to click that like button if you like it and if you watch it till here. Thank you so much for watching my video, and you know what you have to do. I don't have to say it again. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, comment what was your favorite drink, and share this video with your coffee loving friends. Why not?